Hey, third graders. Today we're talking about representative government, what that means. You will be able to describe how our leaders are the voice of the people when we're done. That is your target. How our leaders are the voice of the people. You know you are successful when you get 4 out of the 5 questions right. So you've heard of representative, somebody who represents you, okay? A representative government is people elect people elect others to make the laws and be the leaders. Electing is voting. So your parents, hopefully, and I know I did, I voted, okay, I cast my vote, I cast my ballot to elect the people that I wanted to be the leaders. Okay, whether it's here in our town, in our state, for the United States, a representative government represents your ideas. Your vote counts because you are determining who you want to be in charge. Now, the people that represent us probably would be a representative. A representative is a member of the House of Representatives. And you can see by the picture, there's quite a few, okay? And if you look at the little map, Muskegon actually has 2, okay? Most of you live in the city of Muskegon. That would be considered District 92. And so everybody that lives in that district of 92 would vote for a representative to go to Lansing and represent their ideas. You might live in region 691, and that would be a different person to vote for because the House of Representatives has a lot of different people to represent all the different areas in Michigan. And look at all those seats, and there's more behind them. Now, Michigan also has a Senate. The Senate is the other group that works to make the laws for Michigan's government. The House of Representatives is one group, and there's a lot more representatives. Okay, if you look at this picture, there's not as many seats. And if you look at the map, all those green counties are Region 34. And all those green counties have the same choice for senator that we have. Okay, so there's not as many senators as there are House of Representatives. The representatives outnumber. Okay, so we have a Senate and the House is what you hear people talk about. Are people that we voted for, that the adults, once you're 18, you can vote. So in the city of Muskegon, that region 92, people voted for Terry Sabo, and he is a member of the House of Representatives. And as far as the senator, okay, that green region 34, we voted for John Bumstead, and he is the member of the Senate for us. Now, I had to throw in some extra pictures from when I brought my class to Lansing a couple of years ago. So these are all pictures that I took. What you're looking at on this side, the kids are laying down on the floor right in the middle of the Capitol building. And when you look up from the middle, okay, that's when you see the dome going up. It's really kind of cool. If you get a chance to go to Lansing and go to the Capitol, okay, then you can lay down and see that dome. That's actually a glass floor that we're laying on. And then these are some more pictures. It's another picture of the Senate with the white cushy chairs and the House of Representatives with the brown chairs. And notice that the senators, because there's not as many of them, they have more space and their chairs actually even look more comfortable. They say that the Senate meets in the blue room and the House of Representatives meets in the rose room. And then the other picture is my class, those that came with us to the trip outside the Capitol. So think about these representatives and senators. They are representing us in government because we voted for them. So they take our voices and bring those to the decisions and to these meetings and these rooms. So if you have something you are concerned about or your family does, and you contact your representative or your senator, then they can bring those concerns and see if a law needs to be made. So you always want to know who your representative is and who your senator is in case you need to contact somebody and get some problems solved, possibly by new laws. Go ahead and take the quiz, and I hope you enjoyed my pictures.